Right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There's a cool bike. That's Daryl, and he's on his custom VW bike. Very cool. Right, let's get on with it. Here we are on a absolutely stunning end of May evening. Now hopefully before this video comes out there'll be another little video of me riding down some lovely roads towards Langport Bike Night, and hopefully a little bit of a snippet from Langport Bike Night as well. And I'm just on my way sort of back. As I left Langport Bike Night, I realised actually on the way to Langport Bike Night my fuel light came on, and I was annoyed with myself because I accidentally reset my trip counter, which I always reset every time I fill up with fuel. But I'd forgotten I'd done that. I'd forgotten I'd accidentally reset it when I was out last time. I think I was trying to reset the clock a bit to make it a bit better. Look at these views. Just look at that view. And yeah, I think I managed 12 miles on the reserve tank, which I've never done before on this bike. The reserve tank's a bit crap. Loads of views. This is the views across the levels. I hope the sun's not causing too much grief here, because they are beautiful views. But yeah, so I just rode all the way into Langport with a squeaky bum, hoping I didn't run out of fuel, and luckily I found some fuel when I literally pulled up onto the forecourt. I can't actually remember, I think I put E5 in last time, not 100% sure. So yeah, I do get a little bit of range anxiety on this thing, especially when I forget to reset the epoxy counter. And when I was at Langport Bike Night, a chap called Daryl came and said hello to me. He is pushing, well, I think he's over 7 foot. Now, Daryl is an engineer and decided to make himself a bike that fits his frame. It's a lovely, I mean, to be honest with you, it's a lovely bike. And the reason it's a lovely bike is because it's custom made. It's made to fit him. It's made to suit and make him comfortable. He doesn't give a damn about what anybody else thinks. But I love the simplicity of it. These are all the chaps coming out of Langport Bike Night now. Oh, this road would have been lovely if it wasn't for all the cars. Look at those views. I hope the sun isn't causing too much grief on those views. I love Langport Bike Night. There's so many cool bikes there. Classic bikes, modern bikes, sports bikes, naked bikes, you name it. But there are some really cool classic bikes there. And the chap who runs it's got a really cool custom GSX 1100, but I don't think it was there tonight, not that I saw anyway. I haven't been able to get to Langport Bike Night as much as I want to lately. Family commitments in the evening, but those commitments do vanish because it's half term, so the kids aren't going nowhere in the evenings at the moment, which is great. So they're not ferrying kids all over the place. I love this time of night. What is it? 8:15, or just gone 8:15. Sun's nice and low. Too many frigging cars. It's a problem. This is a lovely piece of road. Views across the levels. It's just a stunning piece of landscape along here. It's so flat, and these places all flood. And the last time I was up this way was when over Christmas, when they did the Christmas meet at Langport, and I took the CRF and promptly crashed it on the levels. I'll put a link to that out there. Yes. Anyway, I think what we'll do is we'll ride down here and respect the speed limit, and we'll take a little stop off at Burrow Mump, because I have done a Instagram video of Burrow Mump, but I thought I'd take the opportunity to stop there on the way home, as it's so beautiful and the sun is so low. It's going to look fantastic. This is a very nice bit of road down here. You just see Burrow Mump over in the distance. Yeah, we'll definitely have a look at it. Take in some views and take some photographs. It's a shame I can't get my bike up the hill. Take some pictures in front of that. Let's go and have a look. Hopefully it's not too busy. I'm not expecting it to be too busy this time of night. I can't get a decent picture because it's got trees in the way, man. Oh well. Let's just leave it here. Let's go and have a look. Right, so walking up to Burrow Mump. There's plenty of sheep about. Watching out for sheep poo. Just look over there. Absolutely stunning. Whew. Like I said, very steep. Here we are at the top. I'll get my breath. Of Burrow Mump. Around the corner here, and there's more sheep. Hello, sheeps. There we go. As you can see right across the levels. Well everyone, I think that's where I end it up here on Burrow Mump. It's absolutely stunning up here, as you can see. It's beautiful. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's your first time watching Tom's TC, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.